Oh, still crispy. So crispy pa rin siya kahit 2 oras na 2 oras ba yun? O 3 oras na nakalabas. Hello everyone! So welcome to our channel. Kami ang Greek Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. So for today's video is, mamaya doon sa aming karinderya is magluluto ako ng lechon belly para sa mga anak ko. So ngayon ang mga anak ko is andun na sila sa eskwelahan. Tapos ako naman at saka yung asawa ko is magre-ready na kami para pupunta sa karinderya kasi mag-open kami ng lunchtime at mamaya is lulutuan ko sila ng paborito nating mga Pinoy na ulam, ang lechon. So hope you like this video and enjoy watching. Good morning, Jackie.
Morning.
Time to get ready. It's time to get ready.
I did.
Time to go to school. Yes. Yes, alas 7 ng umaga. Gising lang namin.
Sorry.
School time na naman. Go, get ready. Faster. Let's get ready. Okay? Morning, Jackie.
Morning, mommy.
Say good morning, everybody.
Morning, everybody.
Get ready now. Okay?
Okay, and then put on your bag. Thank you.
Jackie.
Jackie and her jacket. Put on your Jackie jacket.
I want Jackie jacket.
I'm gonna get my jacket too.
Bye, Jackie. See you later. Yan, pupunta na sila sa eskwelahan ulit. Yan, yung si Cassie at saka yung papa nila. Ando na sa car. Naghihintay kay Philia at saka kay Cassie. Come on, Jackie, faster! So, alas 8 na ng umaga. So, time to go to school na. Hatid sila ng papa nila. Kasi medyo may, parang, medyo, malamig na kasi. Malamig pag naglalakad. So, ayan. Back to school ulit. Araw-araw, eskwela. Ito yung tanglad na gagamitin ko para sa lechon belly. Ayan, may tanim kasi ako. Ano na to? Matagal na to. 4 years na ko na tong tinataniman. At lagi kong kinukuhanan kapag nagluluto ako ng sinabaw at saka roast pork. So, ayan. So, ito na yung pork belly. Ano to siya? 1.5 kilo. Ito yun. Tapos, ilagay ko dyan sa foil. At ilalagay ko sa oven ng mga 2 hours. In the low heat. So, tingnan natin kung crispy at maluluto ba siya after 2 hours. So, ayan. Nilagay ko na sa oven. So, takpan. At number 4. Gas oven to siya. So, number 4. So, antayin natin after 2 hours is after 2 hours. So, ganyan na ang itsura ng belly. Yan. Luto na siya. Pero, kailangan ko itong ibalik sa oven ng mga 1 hour para mag-crispy yung balat. At ayan, after 1 hour, brown and crispy na yung balat ng lechon belly. And papakain ko na to sa mga anak ko mamaya. Ayan, kakain na sila. Kakain na sila ng kanilang dinner. Ang kanilang ulam ay lechon belly.
It looks very yummy.
Nakunat na. Hindi na crispy kasi
What does that gonna
kanina pa kasi ito naluto tapos
gonna mean?
na-busy. Na-busy sa karinderya.
What does that mean?
Time na iwain para sa kanila.
My piece.
So, ayan, oh. Juicy and yummy. Ito yung salaman niya, oh.
Mommy, I am small sweet as juicy.
Yung lechon talaga siya.
Mommy, I am small, sweet, as juicy.
Yes.
Cut.
Oh, crispy pa pala.
Delicious.
Still crispy.
Please don't yan.
So, ayan, kain na sila. Ito yung hapunan nila. Si Cassie nagkamay. Is it nice?
Yeah.
It tastes like soy sauce.
Buah. It tastes like soy sauce only.
I'm gonna eat. Let me cut ayo.
Yes, lamig kayo. Kasi Cassie o nagkamay. Ano man tong kayo. Still crispy.
So it's soft and it's crispy.
Yeah, still crispy.
Mhm.
You like it, Jackie?
Yes.
You like the lechon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oops.
Careful.
Okay.
That's too much. Nice? Andito kami ngayon sa labas ng karinderya. Oh, still crispy. So crispy pa rin siya kahit 2 oras na 2 oras ba yun? O 3 oras na nakalabas sa oven. Still crispy.
Crispy.
Is it tasty? Yeah.
Better than the crispy you buy in the store.
Buti na lang naging crispy yung lechon belly ko. Yung ano niya balat crispy. Shall I feed you, Jackie, or you feed by yourself?
But I eat by myself.
Okay. Are you a big girl now?
Yes, I'm not a baby.
Yeah, I know. You're a big girl now.
Wait for it.
Crispy.
Let's try it like this.
Do you like lechon, Cassie?
Mhm.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some meat. Look like this.
Wow.
It's like
What's that? The skin, then inside the meat, inside the rice.
mhm.
Yeah. Si Cassie, Pinay na Pinay, mahilig magkamay. Na?
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Very delicious. Let me cut ayo.
Kayo.
What if you have some pork belly? Dip it in some soy sauce.
Yeah.
Eat it with rice.
Uh-huh.
Best combo ever.
Yeah. Filipino food with Filipino style eating. Nakunat na. Yes! Natinawag na ako. Busy na naman ulit. That's not chicken. That's pork.
Dip pork with the soy sauce at the height at the
And to mix it in.
height like this.
And eat.
Dip the pork in the soy sauce. Eat it with the rice. Look at that. It looks so delicious, right?
Yeah.
How to mix it?
Mahilig na sila sa sausawan.
Skin. The crunchy.
Ah?
It's animal crunchy skin.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go then. Busy na. So,
Can I have the skin?
busy na. So, kailangan ko nang bumalik doon sa loob.
Please, may I have the skin?
Okay.
Please, may I? Yeah.
After you eat, put everything inside, okay?
Okay.
Don't leave it there. Everything, okay?
Mhm.
Okay. I'm going inside now.
Thank you, Mommy.
Busy na kaya pupunta naman ako ulit sa labas. Sa labas, sa loob pala. Pupunta naman ulit sa loob. Busy na.
Never mind.
At ayan, naubos ng mga anak ko yung buong lechon belly na niluto ko. Ano yun siya? Nung sa hilaw pa is 1.5 kilo. Pero yung luto na parang ano siya, parang nag-shrink. Kasi yung mga taba niya is na melt. So kaya medyo lumiit nung naluto na. Pero naubos pa din ng mga anak ko. So ayun, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video namin for today. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta nyo sa aming channel at sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin. So maraming salamat sa inyo at sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe. Please subscribe our channel and please like and share our videos. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye-bye!